at a very affordable price. Hindi siya nagkaka-crack, hindi siya makikita mo na nag-bleed. Nag-bleed? What? Pero mga... Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another review for you guys. Some of you requested for me to review the Jordana matte lipsticks. I have two shades right here. I actually posted on Facebook what shade you guys want me to review. The last time I checked, 6 of you guys said hot pink and then 5 of you guys said red. I just posted it an hour ago. I'm not sure kung anong magiging resulta by the end of the day. But yeah, so I have on obviously the hot pink right now. The shade is not hot pink. It is in the shade Poppy Pink. I got mine from Jour Chic shop for 150, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, 150 for this lipstick. I will leave the shop link below. They are selling US authentic products at a very affordable price. Mas affordable compared sa mall. It is supposed to be a matte lipstick. I've had the lipstick on for maybe 3 minutes now and it's not 100% matte yet. We'll see kung magmamatte talaga siya later. But yeah, as of now, hindi pa. So the lipstick looks like this. Yung inside niya is gold. It is that kind of lipstick na yung gulid niya naka-expose. So kailangan mong maging careful putting on and taking off the lid kasi may tendency na masistain niya yung lid itself and then yung lid transparent lang. Gusto ko na gold siya and black. I don't know. I like gold and black combination. So very simple lang. It's not the most sturdy packaging. Feeling ko kapag na-drop ko siya, masisira yung lid niya kasi it's like a really flimsy plastic, but that's okay. That's what you get for 150. So yeah, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Again, wala akong lip balm, pero nag-apply ako ng lip balm every night before ako matulog. So I will go ahead and apply the lipstick right now. Meron siyang amoy, but I suck at describing scents. So basta sweet yung amoy niya. Lipstick looks like very pigmented yung color payoff niya. Nandun talaga. Bonggang-bonggang hot pink talaga ito sa lips ko. Super bright niya, you guys. Hindi siya 100% matte, pero we'll see if magsiset siya into a full-on matte finish. As of now, mga 90% yung pagka-matte niya. Hindi siya mahirap i-apply sa lips at all. It's not the most creamy lipstick, pero hindi na masama yung pag-apply niya. It glides on nicely on the lips naman. Walang tugging na nangyayari. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. It is now 11:50 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later. It is now 5:03 ng hapon. Kumain ako ng lunch. Tapos nag-snack na din ako. I had kwek-kwek. And this is what my lips looks like right now. So, nag-fade na yung lipstick for the most part, especially sa inner corner ng lips ko. But, I like na hindi siya nag-create ng harsh line nung nag-fade siya. Nag-fade lang siya evenly. I mean, not 100% even, but you can't see any harsh line sa center ng lips ko, like showing na, yes, nag-fade na yung inner part, yung outer part hindi pa. You know what I mean? That's because parang nag-tint na kasi yung lipstick sa lips ko. So, nung nag-fade yung lipstick, hindi na siya ganun ka-obvious na may nag-fade. I mean, kung malapitan, makikita mo talaga na nag-fade. Pero sa malayo, hindi siya ganun kasama tingnan. Nag-set na siya ng bonggang-bongga sa lips ko, so hindi ko na siya ma-spread like that, hindi na. At this point, kailangan ko na talagang mag-retouch. Also, nagsisettle din siya sa lip lines. Sa lower lip lines ka lang naman, like right here, nagsaset yung lipstick there. Hindi naman siya ganun kasama tingnan. Hindi naman obvious. Hindi naman lahat ng lines nagset yung lipstick doon. Dito lang in particular. Overall, not bad at all. Pagkatapos ko mag-lunch, yes, nag-fade siya, pero hindi ganun ka-obvious yung fade niya. It was when I had my snack, na as in nag-fade na talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi yung kinain ko kwek-kwek, ang dami ko pa kinain. So yeah, after 2 meals, kailangan mo na talagang mag-retouch with this. I will go ahead and remove this. Tapos, instead of retouching it with the same exact shade, I'm actually gonna use a different shade. So, diba I mentioned kanina na I-posted on Facebook asking you guys kung ano sa dalawang shades na to ang i-review ko. And kanina, ito yung nanalo. But then, later on, ito na yung nanalo. Until now, ito pa rin yung panalo. I'm talking about the shade Tangerine Tango. So, I will go ahead and retouch, but with a different shade. See, as in super nag-tint na talaga yung lipstick sa lips, you guys. That's a good thing actually for me. Gusto ko na nagtitint yung lipstick. I will first swatch it on the back of my hand. Tapos i-compare natin siya sa lips ko later on kasi nga 'di ba may tint na siya. So we'll see kung mag-iiba yung itsura niya sa lips. Same lang yung amoy nila guys, super sweet. This is what the Tangerine Tango looks like on the lips. Super orangey niya sa lips ko. I do not like this shade to be honest with you guys. Super obvious ng orange tone yan and it's making my teeth look really yellow. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day and see how this shade will go. Super pigmented niya, super on point ng color payoff niya. But it is not 100% matte. Same silang dalawa, hindi sila 100% matte. Asa na ba yung lid nitong isa? Don't expect a full-on matte finish from this because it won't give you that. I will get back to you guys later after ako mag-dinner. It is now 8:16 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang mag-dinner and this is what my lips looks like. So as you guys saw, parang wala lang nagbago. Merong konting-konti if you look really close. Makikita mo na nag-fade na yung inner part kapag super close-up mo siya tingnan. Pero kung hindi malapitan, as in hindi mo talaga mapapansin na nag-fade na siya. Parang wala lang, like that. Look at that, right? Pero I forgot to mention this kanina. Super nagte-transfer siya sa food, like nagte-transfer siya sa spoon, nagte-transfer siya sa bottle, sa glass. Ang mga nagustuhan ko dito sa lipstick na to is para sa akin long-lasting naman siya. Kasi after isang kainan, okay na okay pa rin yung lipstick. Gusto ko rin kasi hindi siya nagbi-bleed outside my lip lines. Tapos hindi din siya nagbi-bleed sa aking teeth. Hindi siya namumuo. Hindi din siya drying sa lips at all. Nagustuhan ko din na nagtitint siya sa lips ko na kahit mag-fade man siya, parang meron pa rin natira sa lips ko. Yung mga hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya, hindi naman as in super off. Pero sana lang mas matte siya like what it says it is. Also, nagsisettle din siya sa lip lines ng konting-konti lang naman. Hindi naman ganun ka-obvious. Pero again, not bad at all. So, overall, para sa akin, okay na okay pa rin tong lipstick na to for only 150 pesos. I cannot complain. For me, it's really good. And that's it for this review. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I do my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. Do not forget, be good. See you in my next one. Bye!